Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Katie, and today we're going to be doing our weekly faith planner layout. So every week I put a poll up for you to help me choose my sticker books that I'm going to use this week, and this week the watercolor sticker book won. So I'm happy to be using this one. I might use the second place winner as well, but we'll see if they match okay. So I'll be using that one. Pages are removable. I just removed them beforehand this week. I don't know why. But anyway, so when you remove them, it makes it so much easier for us left-handed people to write as well as decorate. Okay, I think I fixed the lighting a little bit better. It was a little bit dark, so let me know if that's okay. Alright, so let's see. What are we going to use today? So I saw these, and I like these. I think we'll just use a whole bunch of different colors today. So let's see, what do we want to use? I really like this floral one. I think this is going to be like a mix match theme here this week. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm also using my white sheet background today. I don't know why I decided on that, but we did. All right, so I'm going to put this one over here. And I think we'll use some stripes. So yeah, I'm kind of liking it already because this way we can have some different patterns going on in here. Oops. It was a little crooked. Not crooked, it just wasn't over enough. There we go. So put a couple there. So yeah, these are kind of, about half sheet, at least for these, 3/4 almost. But we don't have to worry about that. It might go all the way across this one. Almost all the way across. Not quite, but almost. So I think I'll put that one up here. And let's see, on the bottom we'll do, I think we'll do the green. I like this green color stripe. It kind of matches the pink one over there, so we'll do that one. There we go. Alright, so we have our washi tape down. Just a couple different colors going on there. Alright, let's see what else do we want. They do have some bigger boxes and stuff, so let's see. Let's go ahead and start with the boxes first. I do like this note to self. I like these note to self boxes because you can put your favorite Bible verse of the week down, or just pretty much whatever you want to use it for. And I like these a lot. Let's see, let's put that one here. I guess it's going to be quite a different color palette today. A lot of different mixes, and I kind of like that. I think it'll be fun. There we go. Okay, and then we have a couple of the smaller boxes. I like this one. It says this is where the fun stuff happens. Let's do that one. And what other ones? I like the big plans because it kind of matches the green, but we're kind of going for like a really wild color palette here. So I think we'll just use a bunch of different ones here. Do that one. We'll do a couple of the tabs too, but I want to stick with the boxes first. And let's use this one. This one's nice. I like this stripe one as well. So put the stripe one over here. Oh, there is a floral one that matches that washi tape. I kind of like that one. I kind of want it up here. I don't know why, but I guess we're doing it. And I used micron pen, so I should be able to write over that sticker pretty easily. So just felt like putting it up there, I guess. Let's see. What else do we want? Okay, they have some foiled ones, but I don't really want the foiled ones because if we're going to be doing foiled, it's going to be the rose gold ones. So I kind of want to skip those. Ooh, there's hearts. I might do hearts. I want to use this one that says, "Today I choose joy." Oh, but it is gold foil. Never mind. So I just don't like to match my foil stickers. Let's see. I like this one. Start each day with a grateful heart. Let's do that one. I think I'll put it right here. Right on the focus this week. And let's do the Life is So Good. Kind of wanted to have another color, I guess. Look at that. There we go. I like the high five too. That one's a fun one. There's so many different things in here. Oh, there's flowers too. I actually like those. Those are cute. Might use those. Alright, so I think we're almost done with these. I got those ones, but I think we're good for boxes. Alright. So, oh, there's hearts and stuff. I like those. Okay, well, let's use some hearts. I think we're going to use hearts. Let's see. I like this one. It says, "Be brave every day." I like that. So, where do I want to put it? I'll put it here. There we go. Let's see what else. Alright, I think we're good with those. Okay, I like the hearts, so let's go ahead and put some of the hearts down. Some hearts just all over the page. Just to kind of go into places that like doesn't look like it has enough. Not that, you know, you'll never have enough. Oh, the heart kind of hides though there. Come back. I'll put the heart over here. There, that's better. Kind of hid in that pink, so I think I'll go ahead and do the green over here. Yeah, that's better? Okay. Then we have one more pink, which I think I'll do here or up here. I don't know. Maybe I'll do it right here. Alright, so I think we're good with this sticker book, and I think this one might work. Let's see. Oh, I like this one. Okay, let's use this one. It has a lot of bright different colors. I like this one. Alright. Let's see, what do we want? Put a thankful for over there. Let's see. So this is the Sunday Funday from Paper Studio, and I really like this one. This one's a lot of fun. Let's see. I like this one. It says, "Be still and know that I am God," but it had the B on it. That's cute. Let's see, where can we put that one? I like just this whole like mix match pattern thing. It's working. I'm not hating it. I thought that like I wanted to match, but you know, you don't have to match all the time. You can have fun and do different patterns or different colors, and sometimes I just kind of want to do that. It's fun. Let's put a Glory to God, that nice pink color. I'm starting to go matchy again, but don't worry, it won't go matchy all over the place. Put that there. Let's see, what else do we want? A couple of arrows, but I don't know if I really want arrows, unless you want to match. I don't want to match, but maybe let's put some arrows to like maybe point out some things that maybe we want to write down. So I'll put one there. And let's see, maybe I'll put one here. Maybe some things this week are important, so I'll put some arrows down. All right, what else do we want? Do we want anything else? Let's see. There's a couple of foiled ones here that I like. Let's see. Let's do Faith, Hope, and Love. I like that one. All right. Where do I want to put it, though? Maybe in here? Actually, I kind of like it in this one. Yeah, I like that. Okay. So I'll put that on that sticker. Faith, Hope, and Love. Let's see. I just realized that there's a couple different colored foils in this sticker book. Because I have yellow gold over here, but these are rose gold. That's kind of interesting. Let's see. Let's do this one. Do justly, love mercy, walk humbly. Micah 6:8. Let's do that one. Okay, and I'll do this one. Let's see. Maybe I'll do this one. Starting to run out of space, aren't I? Let's see. Maybe I'll put it in this box. A little harder to see, but I can still read it. Okay. So I think we're good. I didn't want too much, so I think that's good. Do we want to do any of these? Let's see. Let's do this one. This says faith is greater than fear. So let's do that one. And I think I'll put this one, let's see. Where do I want it? Maybe I'll put it next to note itself or underneath note to self. Maybe at the bottom. Yeah, like that right there. Okay. So I'll put that there, and I think we're good. All right, so that is our layout today. I like it. There's still a ton of stickers in here that I could use, but I think we're good to go. I didn't want to make it too busy or anything, so I think we're good. All right, so here is our layout for this week. It's still busy, but like it's a fun busy. I like it. It was a fun week. I'm glad you guys chose the watercolor palette. That was fun. I don't know what's going to be on the poll this week, but yeah, so this is our layout for this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below. If you have any prayer requests, feel free to either email me, it's always in the description box, or if you want to leave a comment, just putting a private personal prayer. You don't have to actually write it out, because God knows what it is, and I will be happy to pray for you this week. So thank you for joining in, and I will see you all in the next video.